Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is Sunday after Thanksgiving, so hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I didn't film that day because honestly it was very chill, very low key. My mom did end up putting up the Christmas tree that same day, so there will be no video of us putting it up together. It's looking really pretty. I will show you guys on Christmas when we go down to my uncle's. I'm the only one at home. Eric went to a Friendsgiving. My mom is like out running errands and Alexander is working today. Alexander does a short shift on Sundays. He works from 12 to 4. Right now it's a little after 2:30. But I am getting ready because we are doing a date night tonight. Kind of date, like as soon as he gets off work, he's gonna pick me up and we're gonna go. I have a dark lip on. It's from Miss A as well. It's called Unreal. It's actually darker on your lips than it is in the tube. My hair is wet, kind of damp. I want to show you guys what I got at Ulta, but I did get this. $30. They were having a huge Black Friday sale going on, and I went there a few days ago. And I got myself a Revlon one-step voluminizer, 2-in-1 thing for blowouts and stuff. But now that I have it, I want to open it up and try it and see if it's any good. Let's do this thing. I really like Revlon's heating tools. I have a Revlon blow dryer that I've been having since I was 18. That thing is magic. And I also have a, I believe it's Revlon, a crimper from them. Oh, it looks like this. Okay, let me plug it in first. This is how you turn it on right here. Oh. So how do I do this? Did I just go in layers? I guess I'll just do it in layers. Right. First time doing this, you guys. Wish me luck. I've never given myself a blowout before, so this is all new to me. And yeah, I'm just gonna play around some more on the bottom. Okay, next layer. Okay, done with the second layer. All right, let's do the last one. Obviously, I have to play around with it, get used to it, get the hang of it, and then I'll be a pro in no time. Okay, all done. I will say it does give you lots of volume. Granted, I don't have huge layers going on with my hair, but I can see the volume in my hair and my... Yeah, it looks really good. And if I wasn't filming this will probably take me like 5 to 7 minutes and I'll be done. So really quick. I love it. I think there's no need for me to put it on high. I just do it on low and it's perfect for me. Yeah, I can see the rave about this, the hype. This is great and I should have bought this a long time ago. I will definitely bring this on my next travel. Yeah, it's just really flowy. What do you guys think? I mean, I think it looks so good. I love my hair. It's also a good gift too for Christmas or a white elephant gift. That would be fun. But yeah, I am loving it. It's almost 3 now. It's 2:53. Alexander is not going to be home until 4:30. So I have a good hour and a half left. I'm just going to take the dogs out one more time and figure out what to wear tonight for date night. and I'll be back. Okay, here is my outfit for tonight's date night. I am just wearing this brown turtleneck sweater that Lucinate gifted me a few Christmas ago. And then I have this Shein scarf that I've never worn yet. This is my first time using it, and it goes really well because it has a little gray and a little tan color right here, so it kind of goes well with the brown that I have going on. And I'm just wearing my Lucky Brand jeans, high-waisted jeans, and I'm just gonna throw on a pair of black boots or brown boots. I'm not quite sure yet, but that is my outfit. That the dark lip will go really well with the dark outfit. It's giving me fall, it's giving me sweater weather. All right, I have decided to wear the black boots today. I haven't worn these since my commercial shoot with Toyota back in June because it got super dirty from filming at the lake, and I have just been lazy and I haven't cleaned them. Here's Mega, sit down. You're so cute. In the car with the boo. Say hello. So we just checked the Tex-Mex restaurant El Mejor. They're closing in half an hour. They close early on Sundays at 5 o'clock. So never mind on that. We're gonna go to, yeah, we can make it. We're gonna actually head to our favorite sushi restaurant, Sushi Damu, for dinner because it's been a minute since we went there together.
I love that place.
Maybe, I would say 2 months, a little over 2 months since we've been there together. And then swing back to McKinney Square and go to our favorite hookah lounge and stroll around. So I'm excited. Okay, dinner was good. We had pretty much 7 rolls. That's our cap now. I remember we used to do like 10 back in the day. But you know, our stomachs have shrunk just a little bit.
Can't do 10. Even if I try.
Me and Alexander were just talking about like couples. Do you guys sit in front of each other, across from each other, or do you guys prefer sitting next to each other? Because I prefer to sit across from my partner so I can see them and talk to them. But we saw a couple earlier just now at the restaurant. They were sitting next to each other. So it's all about preference, but let me know what you guys like. We're at McKinney Square. It's pretty nippy out here tonight. It's in the 40s. It's a little cold, but it's okay. We're gonna check out it to see if our favorite store is open or not. I know all the shops here usually close early on Sundays, but we're gonna check it out and see. If not, we're gonna swing back to the hookah lounge. You don't pay? I think you do. How fun. They're closed. I can never remember. This is our favorite spot, our favorite store. They're closed. I need to remember the name. Look, Jasper and Petals.
Look inside. That's where Coco sits.
That's the Coco manager. That's where she sits on the little hammock.
The little doggy. This makes me so happy. We've never been here during the Christmas time where the lights are up, so it's our first time. I love it! Okay, we're back home. Eric's home from his Friendsgiving, and he brought back a big old slice of ube cake that one of his friends' partner baked. He baked this himself. It's an ube cake. But yeah, look at this cake. Good thing we didn't get dessert. We're gonna eat this. It looks so pretty. I know. You guys know purple's my favorite color. So this is perfect. So we're gonna try this right now. I got too excited seeing the cake.
Oh yeah. So good. It's so light and fluffy. But you can taste the ube.
How many speeds are there?
2. That's it.
Let's see, how does it feel like?
So good.
Actually feels nice, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think they will like it though. Yeah, my mom ordered this on Amazon. Dogness Automatic Pet Paw Cleaner and Massager. So that way we don't have to constantly use wipes to wipe their paws. We have to charge it first and try it out with the dogs, but to be honest, they don't like to get their paws wet. Like, we sometimes use the garden hose in the back to clean their paws. They don't even like that. So having their paw inserted into this device, yeah, I don't think this is going to work. We might just have to return it. Anyway, so in case you guys don't know, this is the original package, how it looks like. I haven't even opened this one up yet. Things. The old one, the new one. Let me show you how the old one looks like inside, because I like to stock up on these because they're so good. Yeah. Yeah, Newman's out there. This is how it looks. And I guess you can recycle it. Yeah, you can recycle this package, but it's not reusable. Now, it's a reusable package. Look. So what I got was their Juno & Co. buy one, get one refill. And this was like $23. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, oh. Obviously they come with a little, you can't even see it, a little scooper. This nice cleansing balm. I got a really beat up one though. Some like scratches here. All right, let's see how this, oh, I like how the top has a little swoosh up. Okay. And then what you do is there's a part right here that unlocks it. Ooh, see? And then from now on, you just buy this little thing and you just fill it up. Isn't that nice? Mm-hmm. Saves plastic, kind of, right? And then it locks it back up. See? That's the new package. Are we going right now?
Yes.
We got time, Eric. We're going to get hot pot. The weather is perfect for hot pot. And it just comes with a refill. So what I just pulled out of that container is what they have here. See? Just a little one. So you can just continue to keep using this and not have to throw it away. It's fun to show you guys. Juno & Co. Really recommend trying their cleansing balm. It's so good. It gets rid of my makeup super fast. So anyways, Eric is rushing me because we're gonna go get hot pot at our favorite place, and Alexander is gonna meet us there because his job is like 10 minutes away. But anyways, we're going to hot pot now. All right, what'd you think of hot pot today?
It's good. It's always good. I like the new redesign they have.
Yeah, it's a new concept where it's kind of like a buffet style, and you go pick up all the meats, most of the meats, and the sides, the vegetables, the seafood stuff. But we're heading to Seven Leaves because today is Cyber Monday. So I have the app for Seven Leaves, and if you buy drinks today, you get double the leaves. But I'm not gonna drink my drink today. I'm saving my drink for tomorrow because I am full.
But you got a milk tea, right?
No, I got herbal tea.
Oh, nice.
I am all red out. Super red. Can you guys tell that I'm ready for Christmas? Even my underwear is red. Like, look. Today has been one of those days where I didn't do anything. I had a bag of Takis and I ate a bowl of pistachio ice cream and laid in bed all day and played Yoshi. And I did a new record today with Yoshi. A legit couch potato. But on the other hand, I did do laundry and I did sweep and vacuum the house. So that was something. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare routine now. I'm back on using my jade roller. I've been back on this, so sorry for the bad lighting. I've been using this jade roller now for the past 3 weeks.
Just been really persistent doing it morning and night, so that's good. It just feels nice. It feels so good on the skin, especially when you take it out of the freezer. I do leave it in the freezer, by the way. I can't believe we have 3 days left of November. As I'm filming this, 3 days left. Okay, I'm done with this. It just feels so nice. I also did made an online purchase for some new toner and a new moisturizer. I've been loving the Codex Labs brand. This is my 3rd bottle and I'm completely out. And I've already went through 2 of the moisturizers. So I'm gonna stick to this for a while. Okay. But yeah, I should be coming here by the end of this week. Love stocking up on some skincare. So when I went to Ulta, I bought the Revlon heating tool. I also got some more of the Good Molecules serum. I got the discoloration correcting serum. So I applied this on first. And then I apply on the niacinamide serum. I got the big bottle this time because I really like this stuff. I don't think they have a bigger one for this one. I'm not sure. But if they do, I would definitely get this. But so far, it seems like everything is going well. You have to shake this one up first. Just a little bit. Because this helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And I have a lot of like acne scars on my cheek, chin area. I mainly focus on putting it around my cheeks and stuff. And so I let that sit for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then I go ahead and put on the serum. That is pretty much my skincare. I'm not putting any moisturizer on until I get my new one in the mail. I'm sorry this is not the best lighting. Looks like I'm just a floating head. I'm thinking about doing Vlogmas this year. I'm gonna try my best to do it this year. I've been wanting to do Vlogmas for a long time, ever since I started YouTube, but was really scared of the commitment for 30 days because I want to do the whole month, or maybe just up until Christmas, I don't know. But I want to commit to it. I want to try it this year. Even though, you know, there's no Christmas decorations in the house, there's still fun Christmas activities that I'll be doing next month. I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas this year, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, I am going to wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this very chill vlog. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.